In this video, you'll learn how to enhance the aesthetic appeal of your Notion workspace. By following these steps, you will create a visually pleasing environment that is both functional and attractive. Begin by navigating to the Notion website and sign into your account. Once signed in, locate and open the page that you wish to redesign. This is an essential first step, as it sets the stage for your aesthetic improvements. After opening the page, take a moment to assess the layout. Remove any cluttered or unnecessary blocks that may distract from your content. This helps in creating a clean slate for your design. Next, focus on your headings and spacing. Use headings consistently throughout the page to establish a clear hierarchy of information. Adding spacing between sections will make your content easier to read and visually appealing. These adjustments prepare your layout for further enhancements and ensure that each section stands out. Now let's enhance your page with icons and covers. Click on the page title at the top and you will see an option to add an icon. Choose an icon that complements your theme. After selecting an icon, add a cover image by clicking on the Add Cover button. Use high-quality images that resonate with your content. Be mindful of color highlights and ensure that fonts remain consistent across different sections to maintain harmony in your design. After adding icons and covers, it is crucial to maintain consistency throughout your workspace. Apply similar styles across all your pages to create a cohesive look. Keep the spacing uniform to avoid a chaotic appearance. If your content allows, consider organizing it into columns. Reviewing your design on both desktop and mobile views is essential as it ensures a seamless experience across devices. Remember, simplicity is key. Avoid overcomplicating your layout with excessive decorations. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.